Okie dokie pudding and pie. Today I'm going to teach you how to add movies to the game for a custom slot or whatever you want it to be. So I've got my Claudio mod open in the profile. Here it's the generic shit where you just select the movies wherever you're baking them to. I forgot where I put mine. Yeah, they're in here. So all you do is you select each one that is appropriate. So the banner is the banner, blah blah blah. These folders can be called anything. They can be called banana twist. It doesn't matter. It's completely customizable. However, there is one caveat that you need to be aware of. It's really cool actually. If we look into the movies and into the Titantron, you'll see that 475 is here. The engine will automatically add this to the game based on the number that you put in here. So for my Claudio, his ID is 475. In the roster table, it will be 475. All you have to do is drop your Titantron in here, name it to 475, and the engine, the game, will have it in its database on boot after you've baked it. So, how do we add these to the game? Well, what you do is you open up Bake 60, extract movie data table. Once you've done that, go into meta, open up the JSFB like we did before, give it a second. We're going to export this to your data folder. Yeah, we want to watch it. Then we go into Visual Code. Now, the movie data table is broken up into 4 parts. The one you want to focus on really is the superstar. So where it says here, Arena, I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to type superstar. So as you can see here, we have the superstar data. This controls all the movies, and it's basically a pointer to these. So in your character profile, once you have set the movies, like the BK2s, if you scroll to the bottom, you will see this junk of information. This is super easy. All you have to do is copy from this bracket here, go back into the movie table. You can add this anywhere you want. I'm just going to add it here. Hit enter after the comma, paste, add another comma, hit save, and Meta will do its thing, which it has done. Now I'm going to bake this. I'm going to go back in a game. I'm going to show you what it's done. Okay, so we're in game. One thing I want to note here is when you created your profile and you've injected it into the game, what it's done is it's set the movie IDs already. Currently, Meta doesn't support you adding it to the actual list. So if you went in to create an entrance, look for the movies, it wouldn't be in the list. We have got it deserialized. We understand how it works. It will be part of Meta eventually. But currently, you can only assign your custom movie ID through the injection. I've already done it with Claudio, so I'm going to show you now. And there we go. All the Trons are working. Make sure that you actually bake your movies folder. I had to stop the recording to go bake it because I forgot to do it. But yeah, that's as easy as it can be to add movies to the game. Enjoy!